Rokid Air AR Glasses User Guide. How to adjust the diopter in Rokid Air glasses. Rokid Air glasses can correct eye defects for nearsighted users, myopia of 0.00 to -5.00D. With Rokid Air glasses, the nosepad is made of memory metal. You can move and adjust the nosepad to fit your nose bridge, push up or slide down the glasses. Make sure that you can see the image completely and clearly in Rokid Air glasses. Turn the two knobs on the top of the glasses from the left to the right. This can help you achieve a perfect vision. During adjustment, look far. Note that you can adjust only the screen definition of the glasses. The adjustment cannot allow you to view the surrounding environment more clearly through Rokid Air glasses. That is, you cannot use Rokid Air glasses as a pair of corrective glasses. If you need further adjustment, turn the two knobs from the left to the top to go back the initial state. Then turn the knob slowly to the right until the image is clear for both eyes. If there are ghost images, look far. Turn the knob slightly to the left to reduce the diopter. The ghost images will get closer to each other. Or you can open a full-screen colorful photo. Then you can find the point of focus more easily.